morning everyone. Myself Susanga Viskarma from Kerala Public School, Gamaria. I am glad to welcome you all in the today's event of World Malala Day. Malala Yousafzai is the Pakistani activist for female education and the youngest Nobel Prize laureate. She was born on 12th July 1997 in Mingora, Pakistan. She fights for girls' right to education and a life of freedom in Pakistan and all over the world. For the first event, we have Arshpreet Kaur from 7A to deliver a speech.
Guns and kill terrorists, but education will kill terrorism. Good morning all, this is Arshpreet Kaur of class 7. Today I am here to deliver before you a speech on Malala Day. Malala Yousafzai was born on July 12, 1997 in Swat Valley, district of Pakistan, northwestern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. She was a bold girl who fought for her educational rights in then Taliban occupied Pakistan. For this, she was shot in her head by a Talibani gunman in her school bus in the year 2012. However, she survived the near fatal attack, and almost after a year later, on July 12, 2013, this 16-year-old Pakistani activist had made an impassioned speech about gender equality in education at the United Nations headquarters. Her speech received an standing ovation from all delegates. So powerful it was that the UN soon declared the day, also her birthday, as Malala Day to honor the young activist. A year later, in 2014, she shared the Nobel Peace Prize with Indian child rights activist Kailash Satyarthi. She stated in her speech that I speak not for myself but for all girl and boy. She also said that one child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world. Thank you.
Next, we have Shruti Garai from 8C to deliver a speech.
Education is a freedom that every human deserves. Myself Shruti Garai from Standard 8C of Kerala Public School Gamaria, and today I am here to deliver a speech on Malala Day. July 12 holds a special significance for Malala Yousafzai. It's not only her birthday, but it's also the date in 2013 that she spoke at the UN to call for worldwide access to education. Since that day, the UN has dubbed July 12th Malala Day. During her UN address, she stated, "Malala Day is not my day. Today is the day of every woman, every boy and every girl who have raised their voice for their rights." She is a Pakistani activist for female education and the youngest ever Nobel Prize laureate. She is known mainly for human rights advocacy for education and for women in her native Swat Valley in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of northwest Pakistan, where the local Taliban had at many times banned girls from attending school. Malala's advocacy has since grown into an international movement and has helped many girls to claim their rights for their education. Thank you.
Today, with us we have Mahi Kumari from 10C and Rimzim Tiwari from 10B to discuss about this brave girl who fought all odds. So tell me Rimzim, Malala was shoot on her head but did not deviate her from path. What are your views on this?
She had the courage to do the right thing, whether it is large or small. From here, we learn that even a young child can bring changes in the world. So do not give up your hopes and fight for the good things.
Now I would like to ask Mahi about her thoughts on Malala advocacy, on every girl's right for education that she fights for.
Education is a system of human training within and without the school walls, which molds and develops men. Education cannot be imparted based on gender, and education of a female is equally important as to the education of a male. Malala proudly says that extremists have shown clearly that what frightened them most, a girl with a book, and educated women can contribute to a better family and a better society as well.
With this, we come to an end of today's event. Thank you everyone, and may your year ahead be full of learning opportunities.